The spare tire on the Dodge Grand Caravan is located underneath the vehicle. It's difficult to get access to, but thankfully you don't have to climb under there yourself. There's actually a tool located in the rear of the vehicle that will help lower the tire down to the ground and also help you drag it out from underneath the vehicle. So let's start by opening up the hatch, locating the storage panel on the left-hand side, unlocking it by turning the lock mechanisms vertically, and then removing all the items that you find located in here. So my van has the owner's manual, the spare tire tool, and then also the jack, all located in this small storage area. All we'll need for now is the spare tire tool. So remove the three pieces located inside and assemble them so that they form a T. This is the tool we'll use to lower the spare tire down to the ground. Now we need to go inside the front of the vehicle and locate the center console in between the two seats. The first thing you'll need to do is reach behind the console and pull out the drawer located underneath. Then open up the frontmost storage area and remove the rubber lining you find at the bottom. It should come off fairly easily. Underneath that rubber bottom is a small circular hole, and at the bottom of that hole is a bolt that we're going to connect the spare tire tool to. Alright, so put the spare tire tool all the way down there until you feel it click in place over the bolt, and then start spinning. It's going to be tough at first, but eventually you'll feel the spare tire hit the ground. When that happens, you're not done yet, because you need enough slack in the cable that holds the spare tire in place to allow you to pull the spare tire all the way out from underneath the vehicle. So just keep spinning until you can't spin anymore. Now exit the vehicle and take your spare tire tool with you. You'll need to take the top of the T off, turn it sideways, and create a long stick this time. This is going to help you fish the tire out from underneath the vehicle. Now, don't make the same mistake I did. You can't access the spare tire from the passenger side of the vehicle. The exhaust just blocks the tire from sliding. So you need to go over to the driver's side of the vehicle, reach underneath with this stick, and then pull the tire out until you can reach it with your hands. So the last step is to remove the spare tire from the storage container that holds it underneath the vehicle. Now there's actually a small mechanism that's holding this in place. All you need to do is fold down the edges. Basically it's a T, and you're folding down the two edges of the T to form an I so that the whole mechanism can slide through the hole in the center of the tire. After that, you can remove the spare tire from the storage container and you're done. You now have access to the spare tire on the Dodge Grand Caravan. Wasn't that fun? Anyway, I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll join me next time when I review yet another rental car. I'll see you then.